Hey everybody, it's me, Terry Tester, and today we're trying out Sprite. Sprite's celebrating 50 years of hip-hop. Can I drink this whole thing without burping? So far, so spicy. This hurts. I don't like the feeling in my stomach right now. This is for 50 years of hip-hop, so thanks, Sprite. Terry, no, do not burp. Terry, you're there. Hold on. Don't puke either. I win because I drank it and then I burped. And that is the rules. I can burp. I can wait until after. So thanks everybody for, oh, there's people coming and I'm embarrassed. Goodbye.